Hey, this is Tyler, Technical Evangelist for Portrait Displays. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to calibrate your Dell UP2720Q to a custom calibration target that was actually measured from a mobile device. The first thing we're going to do is go to our next. Now we're going to connect to the Dell monitor by clicking this button. And we're going to select 3D LUT, hit connect. Now this video is assuming you've watched the previous calibration videos, so it's not going to be as detailed in this setup process, and it's going to mostly focus on creating our custom color targets where we're trying to emulate the color behavior of a mobile device. Okay, we're going to connect to the Dell as a pattern generator. Now we're going to have this checked here, and we're going to be using the Portrait Displays C6 HDR2000 colorimeter for calibrating the Dell and measuring our mobile device. The mobile device we're going to be measuring has an RGB OLED screen, so we're going to click here and change our meter mode to OLED RGB. And external source, we're going to connect to that on the next step. So I'm going to close that. Okay, so next step is instead of putting our targets in here, we're going to do custom targets. So we're going to connect to Mobile Forge, which is an iOS and Android app that you can download from your app store on either platform. And so it's running on our mobile device here. When you launch it on your mobile device, it will tell you what the IP address is. So now when I click connect to Mobile Forge and select SpectraCal and change this to Mobile Forge, we can enter our IP address right here. So the IP address on my device is 192.168.49.51. Hit connect, and once you hit connect, the screen on the device will go black instead of showing the Mobile Forge logo. Now it's ready for measurement. So I've set my colorimeter on the screen of the mobile device, and I have auto brightness turned off. I have night mode turned off. Any of those enhancements or automatic features turned off. So now I'm going to go to custom targets. Click this button here, and I'm going to enter mobile device OLED, and I'm going to check this match display gamma as well. So it's going to measure the primaries, the white point, and the gamma at 5 points. So I'm going to click read color space, and now it's reading the primaries right now, and then it will read the gamma curve. Okay, our measurements are complete. Now I can close out of this. So now in here, we have a new entry down here called Mobile Device OLED. And now you can see it switches to custom gamma and everything custom. I would probably leave this at 200 nits. That's probably like a normal brightness for a mobile device indoors. So we're just going to leave that. And now I'm going to click this autosave calibration. So it's going to run through the process completely automated. Then I'm going to go to next. Okay, one thing I'm going to do is I need to change this back to Dell monitor and change the meter mode back to my PFS phosphor one, which is because now I'm going to be calibrating the actual Dell monitor now. Okay, change this to PFS phosphor. Now I'm going to put the meter back on the monitor right in the middle of the screen. And now we are ready to run our calibration. So I'm going to hit read series here. Okay, so now all of our calibration and post-calibration measurements are done. Now we save the calibration exchange file, which saves all the target and calibration data, so you can load it or restore it back into the monitor using the Dell Companion application that you install on your PC. So mobile device, OLED, save. And then here's our report that shows the before and after. Now this is a really weird shaped color space. It's not even hitting 709 green, but it's really wide red, really wide gamut red. So this shows how you can create any arbitrary target in Calman and calibrate the monitor too. Some of the use cases of this would be if you are making advertising or digital signage of a display that you have no way to calibrate and you want to see what it's going to look like on your screen so you can actually compensate for the display's behavior in your actual content. Another thing would be mobile devices that you have no control over, or even like big outdoor LED advertising stuff. As long as you can take measurements on it, or even in Calman, just enter the values in the custom color space, then we can calibrate the monitor to that specific target. It's a very powerful feature. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.